Hello everyone, welcome to the world where one kidney is pink. When you can be anything, why not become someone who have beads and sequins in kidney rather than stones? But still human error. This is compulsory, but life can be wild, right? And well, you don't have to worry about them. They won't be diagnosed in any of the imaging, but instead with live rent free in your head. So let's get on the topic now. After painting in one kidney with brown, vein with blue, and artery with red, I started adding black cut beads on boundary of renal vein and just the same all the way around. For the medullary pyramid, I first made the boundary of each one of them separately with kinda purplish brown cut beads. They change color depending upon the light. And then applied few of them in each pyramid. After applying beads in medullary pyramid, I mixed red and white fabric paint to make pink and filled it in, and that's how it's looking. Then I painted adrenal gland by mixing these four colors. Then I applied the same cut bead that I used for the pyramid to make the border of right kidney. And some black beads randomly in the renal vein. And it's not even prominent now. I took crystal beads, color unknown, and applied to cover the border of it. But then filled it in too because why not? And that's how it turned out. I took white cut beads and silver sequins and applied them alternatively. All of it was one on one. Anyways, I did the whole border of left kidney with them. Now adding in some vessels. I used blue cut beads for veins. And now arteries because we also have some oxygenated blood. And the same process from the different angle because I decided to film it. It's purely injustice toward right kidney. And that's how it's looking. I took some random red miniature beads and make the border of renal artery. And now that's the last one, I promise.